In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up RSI on TradingView. RSI, Relative Strength Index for Beginners. By the end, you'll have the RSI on your chart and understand what you're looking at so you can start using it with confidence. First, open TradingView and go to the asset you want to analyze. This can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or index, whatever you trade. Make sure you're on the chart view and pick a time frame that fits your style. For example, day traders might use lower time frames like 5 or 15 minutes, while swing traders often prefer the 1 hour or daily chart. The RSI will work on any time frame, but your signals will vary depending on what you choose. Next, look toward the top of the chart and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all the built-in tools. A search box will appear, which makes it really easy to find what you need without scrolling. Type RSI into the search bar. You'll see several results, but the one you want is the standard Relative Strength Index. It's the classic built-in version that most traders use as a starting point. Now click on Relative Strength Index. As soon as you do, a new panel will appear below your price chart. That's your RSI. By default, it's usually set to a 14-period length with horizontal guidelines near 70 and 30. The scale runs from 0 to 100. When the RSI line moves above 70, the asset may be overbought. When it dips below 30, it may be oversold. Remember, overbought and oversold don't guarantee a reversal on their own. RSI is best used as part of a broader plan, such as confirming trends or spotting potential divergences between price and momentum. Finally, click on Highlight for RSI so it's easy to find in the future. On TradingView, this highlight typically appears as a small star icon next to the indicator name. When you click it, you're favoriting the RSI, which saves time the next time you add indicators to a chart. That's it. You've navigated to your asset, opened the indicators menu, searched for RSI, added the relative strength index to your chart, and highlighted it for quick access. As you explore, pay attention to how RSI behaves across different timeframes and market conditions. The goal is